Hi, today we're going to learn about for each. First, let's type in an array. Int array equals new int size 5. Let's fill in the values for the array. Array 0 equals one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our for each. For each int I an array system dot out dot println I. Let's run this program. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 printed out. Now what this program does is it initializes an array of size 5. And here we've set the values for the array. And then here, the for each. What for each does is for each array, for each array, such as the size here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each of these array from 0 to 5, or from 0 to 4, I is going to be equal to their value. So let's say for array 0, I is equal to 1. So here it says for int I in an array. For int for a value, for each value in an array, or for each integer I in an array. So for each value and in the array, the system is going to print out their value. And that's why the system print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't print out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It prints out the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is it for each. And thank you for watching. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos.